Welcome back to ABC Adventures. Today, we're going to explore the delightful letters D, E, and F. Let's start with the dynamic letter D. D is for dog. Dogs are friendly animals that love to play and go for walks. Do you have a dog at home? D is also for duck. Ducks like to swim in ponds and make a quacking sound. And D is for dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago and were very big. Great job, D. Now let's explore the exciting letter E. E is for elephant. Elephants are large animals and have long trunks. E is also for egg. Eggs come from chickens and are used to make many yummy foods. Do you like eating eggs for breakfast? And E is for engine. Engines help cars, trains, and planes move. Wonderful, E. Now let's find out what fun letter F has for us. F is for fish. Fish live in water and come in many different colors. F is also for flower. Flowers are beautiful and come in many colors. Do you like picking flowers? And F is for fire truck. Fire trucks help firefighters put out fires and keep us safe. Have you ever seen a fire truck with its lights on? Great job, F. We had so much fun learning about D, E, and F today. Remember, there are so many exciting things to discover with every letter. Subscribe to the channel. See you next time with some new letters. Bye-bye.